What's up, guys? Not Travis Cards, back again with another video, and today we are going to be showing something that's kind of unique, but first, before we do that, let's go ahead and get into what I received in the mail. It was last week, but I got it, or I won it 2 weeks ago. So if you watch this video, we ended up winning the golden ticket from the nuclear bomb packs from Boston Packs 87. Well, we got this in the mail last week. It's a autographed Patrick Mahomes, Globally Authentics right there. So that is nice. I'm gonna get a case for it. But our video for today is we picked up some vintage baseball cards, and we're gonna be searching through them for some Hall of Famers, some hot rookies. I'm not gonna know everything about back then. It was before my time, but I do have quite a bit of an older collection, thanks to my grandfather. But we're gonna get into this. Hopefully we get some good stuff, like some Cal Ripken rookies maybe. Who knows? Let's see what we get into this. So there's quite a bit of cards here. This is from SuperiorSportsInvestments.com. So if you want to pick up some older packs or stuff, they probably have a bunch. I picked up roughly like 300 packs for pretty cheap, for 40 bucks. So not too bad. We got some 1990 baseball from Upper Deck. We got some 91 Fleer, 91 Score, and a 88 Fleer as well. And then we got this. It's going to be kind of a longer video. It is full of cards. We got a 90 Fleer, another 88 Fleer. So let's separate these as we go. And then it is jam-packed with cards right there. So I'm going to slide these out off camera real fast. Let's see. I dropped a pack. Alright, so we got a 96 Upper Deck. Let's see, what is this? Man, it's got to be a little bit older because I remember they used to not put the dates on here all the time. 88 Donruss. And then we got, let's separate these. Got ourselves another Donruss, a 92. And we got ourselves another Donruss, 92, Series 1. That's Series 2 right here. We got some 91 Fleer. Let's put all these Fleers together. Got a 90 Fleer. A Donruss. Let's see, what is this? This is 90 Donruss. We got quite a bit of packs here. Quite a bit. So we got a Donruss Series 1. What is this? I don't know. The date is cut off. Donruss Series 2 from that same year. I don't know what year this is. 91. So they're both 91. Series 1, Series 2. We got a 92 Upper Deck. We got a 93 Leaf. 91 Fleer, another one. Let's put all these together. So Score, 91 Fleer. We got another Upper Deck, a 90. An 88 Score. We got a 92 and an 88 so far. We got an 89 Score. 92 Score. Wow, this thing's got a bunch of scores in it. And then we got a, that's weird, a Donruss. That's an interesting way to put that. It's got a Mark McGuire right on the front. That's really nice. What year was this? This is, it doesn't say. I want to say this is from 88, an 88 Donruss. All right, so let's get into this. We're going to just go all about it randomly. Like, there's a lot of packs here, so can't go wrong. We're going to be busting a lot of packs. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 packs. Quite a bit here. Let's start from here. We're going to do these. So we got our 91 Fleers first. I don't remember the years a bunch of these really good rookies played back then. I know that there was, that's really nice. I like the way those look. There was a lot of, this is like pretty much the year after the junk wax era, where there was a bunch of stuff. So a Kirby Puckett, not bad. We got a Ramon Martinez, Jose Lind, Brent Maine, Craig Wilson, Brett Sabenhaw, I can't even pronounce his name, Tim Burke, Tim Leary, I remember him, Rick Aguilera, Ted Higuera, Fred McGriff, Lloyd Mosby, and Pete O'Brien. So we're going to kind of get messy here. I've got another big one like this. We're going to do in another video. So we're going to try to keep these from getting everywhere on the cameras and everything. There's going to be a lot of cards at the end of this. I think this is like roughly 500 cards, maybe 600 cards. Got another one, a Dodgers one. Sweet. I'll give that to one of my buddies. Huge Dodgers fan. Mark Davidson, Lance Johnson, Tom Galvin, Jerry Brown, Mark Grace, Mike DeVerix, Chris Sabo, I remember him. I remember Sabo. Tom Bruanowski, Roman Martinez, Dave Winfield, Casey Kendall, Tim Belcher, I remember Tim Belcher, and a BJ Suroff. So that was 91 Fleer Ultra. Let's go ahead and get into these wax packs. This is a Series 2. Let's get into Series 1 first, then we'll do Series 2. This is 91. Sometimes these don't open up very well. These come with like puzzle pieces back then. These were always really fun back then. I remember having a bunch of them because my grandfather, he's got quite a bit of an impressive collection. I hope one day I am lucky enough to be gifted his collection. I'm talking like Barry Bonds autos, stuff like that. I'm not fortunate enough to have any of those yet. So we got a Jose Lynn, Juan Samuel, Kevin Romine, Roberto Alomar, Greg Harris. We got a Bob Boone, Glenn Braggs, Robin Ventura, Steve Bedrosani, or Bedroson, I don't know how to pronounce it, Donna Kierke, Sandy Omar, Dave Johnson, Jeff Hudson, Bill Spears, and an Ivan Calderson, or Calderon. Sorry if I'm butchering any of these names. I don't really know a bunch of these older players, so just bear with me. It's just something to have a little bit of fun with. Older break. You don't see too many of these, like people open up older cards lately. We got a checklist. They always have those back then. A Rand Smolkins, Dennis Cook, Gene Harris, Bob Welch, a Scott Aldrin, rated rookie. We're going to set all of our rookies to the side. Bob McDonald, Kevin Bass, Joe Bicker, Jack Clark. If anyone sees anything in these videos and they know like something that's of value, please shout it out in the comments, and then I will put it to the side so nothing happens to it. Because unfortunately, I don't know everyone that's of value in this. Roberto Kelly, Eddie Murray, Brent Narkert, Felix Jones, and Steve Baboni. We're going to set all of the rookies to the side. This is a 96 Upper Deck. I don't really think there was anyone big out of this draft class. Who knows? I don't remember the big ones. I think the big one was like 92 or something like that. Let's see. Rafael Palmeiro, a Rafael Orlando, another like weird misprint right there. It's like all cut off on the checklist. This is a, I do not know who this is, but California Angels apparently, I guess is what we used to be called. I have no clue who that is. Arizona. Okay, these cards are gonna get all weird. So we got a Dave Martinez. That's a really cool looking card. Lenny Webster, and then we got our little foil card that's in here. Is a Albert Ball, Mike Sims, Randy Villarde, Steve Avery, Mike Trombley. Ooh, these ones are getting nuts. They're all sticking together. Brett Boone again. Phil Sorrento. And a... Oh, I can't even pronounce that one. Not even going to attempt to. Alright, let's get into this. This is... 90. It's 90 Donruss. Puzzle piece. Ken Hill. Dwight Smith. Dave West. Marty Clary. Jeff Parrott. Larry Anderson, Frank Vizzo. That's another rated rookie. Man, these are hard to read in that cursive writing. Mike Fitzgerald, Rick Honeycutt, I remember him. Jeff Montgomery, and Tom Marion. We're going to put all of our rookies to the side. I know a bunch of these aren't really worth anything. They mass-produced these cards back then, so I don't know what year this is. It doesn't say. I'll find out maybe on one of these cards. This is a, looks like an 87 maybe, 87 Donruss. Jeff Hamilton, Steve Trout, Pat Sheridan, Al Nipper, Dave Stapleton, Jeff Ballard, Billy Hatcher, Mark Davidson, Rick Leach, Jerry Reed, Manny Trujillo, Craig Leffert, Bob Walk, Frank Williams, Jeff Blaser, and Mark Grant. We may, depending on how long this takes, cut this in half into different videos. This is Series 2. Let's go Series 1 and then Series 2. This is 92. Okay, let's see. Mike Moore, Johnny Smiley, Dave Justice, Steve Javier, Jose Bearfield, Dave Henderson, Scott Bankhead, Ruben Sierra, Chris Haney, Ron Grant, or Gant, Shane Mack, Lloyd McClendon, a Carlos Garcia rated rookie. We're going to keep that off to the side. We're probably going to go kind of fast with these because there's a lot. I don't know very many of the names, so it's hard for me to pronounce them. All right, Mike Schuler, Mike Maddox, Jeff Hudson, Rod Beck, Rob Ducey, Jamie Quirk, Juan Bell, Tommy Gregg, Brunowski, Chico Walker, anyone knows anything out of these packs, and you see me skip over it, shout it out in the comments. This is just a little fun video. I don't know much about this era or this, like, the 80s through the 90s. I don't really know much about them. I do know they love to do this with the cards. One forward, one backwards. One forward, one backwards. One forward, one backwards. Pat Kelly. Here, let's do this real fast. All right. Franklin Stubbs. And these are all like sticking together and stuff. Fred McGriff, Jimmy Jones. Makes me think of Jimmy John's. I'm hungry. We'll probably cut this in half, make it a two-part video, so it's not so long. Probably have one day and then one next day. Oh man, some of these packs, I swear. So old, they're so hard to open. Alright, let's see what we get. Robbie Thompson. Yeah, see, these are all stuck together.